Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. And today I'm going to show you how to draw a lucky horseshoe. So I thought this was a cool idea to draw because we're getting really close to St. Patrick's Day, and I thought this would be a cool doodle for that. So I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to start by drawing a U shape. Okay, just like that. And now I'm going to draw an even bigger U shape. Like that. And now on both sides, I'm going to do a block. You can see I'm kind of slanting it downward. So there's one side, and now this side I'm going to try to make it match, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and now inside that block I'm going to do another block. Okay. If I'm going too quick, feel free to pause the video. I'm just thickening up this line here. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is down here in the middle, I'm going to make a line right here and a line right here. And we're going to curve. And same here on the bottom. We're going to attach those lines. Okay, so we're now given a long rectangle. Now we're going to do a shape like this, and same on the other side. And inside that, I'm going to do circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Doesn't matter how many you put in. I just put 5 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it looks like I can fit a 6th one here. But like I said, it doesn't matter how many little circles you got in there. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to put in, I'm going to write good luck here on the bottom because it's a lucky horseshoe. But I want to make sure I have enough room for my letters, so I'm going to write that in pencil first. So G, O, O, D. Oh, I got lots of room. L, U, C, K. Yeah, I got lots of room. So I'm going to write that again, but a little bit bigger because I was writing it kind of small at first, thinking I didn't have a lot of room, but I got lots of room. So G, O, O, D, space, L, U, C, K. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do to make this seem like it's an even luckier lucky horseshoe, I'm going to put a 4-leaf clover here in the middle. So to do that, we can just do the shape of a heart, and then one on the bottom, one on the side, and one on the other side. Okay, and we can put a little line here in the middle, a little one there, a little one there, and there, and our stem. All right, So now I'm going to add some color. Alright everyone, so we are finished our picture. You can see I added lots of green around our good luck horseshoe. I thought maybe it kind of gave it almost like the feeling like it's lying in the grass. And I thought it really helped the color of our 4-leaf clover to really pop. So you didn't have to color it that way if you didn't want to. It's all up to you. It's all about having fun. Alright, so I hope everyone has a really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!